Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I woke up and it was raining and it was very beautiful outside. I felt like having something really nice when it stopped raining. I thought I'll make Matar Mushroom today. So for that I started preparing. I chopped some onions. I grated 2-3 cloves of garlic and one tomato that I chopped and some peas. So I just washed it properly and then we'll start cooking. Also I had to chop some mushrooms, and once you cut it you just rinse it with warm water. Then in a pressure cooker I added oil and zira, methi, onions and garlic. I just stir it, and once it is little golden brown, then I added the peas and stir it for a while. Once the color has changed a little bit, then I'll add some spices, namak, haldi, garam masala and dhania powder. So I just mix it and then I'll add tomatoes and I'll mix it well. And once the tomato loses its structure, I'll add mushroom. I forgot to show you that. So we'll add that and we'll cover it with the lid and we'll wait for 2 whistles. And now it's ready. So this is what I had for lunch today: chapati, dahi and Matar Mushroom.